Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to use the lobby for Teams meetings, where you want people to wait in a lobby before being admitted into a meeting. So let's take a look at scheduling a meeting in Teams. Here we are in Teams and I'm looking at the calendar. I'm going to add a new meeting. What we're looking at is we have our date and time. You can set it all up the same way. And what we are looking for is our meeting options right here. Who can bypass the lobby? Well, in this example, we don't want anybody to bypass the lobby. We want maybe the presenter and the organizers to be able to get in the meeting and then really wait before they admit everyone, kind of get a critical mass before you then admit everybody into the meeting. So we're going to take a look here at the options available in terms of who can bypass the lobby. In terms of making everyone wait, then we want to say only the organizers and co-organizers can bypass the lobby. When I have invited all my attendees and set the date and time correctly, I am now ready to save my meeting. So up next, I'm going to start the meeting and then have someone join and take a look at what does the lobby look like for them. So here I am, I've invited a guest and they've logged in on their computer and they're being given a message that they are waiting in the lobby to be admitted into the meeting. I am looking at a message at the top of my screen. It says either to admit or deny this guest, and it's really at my leisure to then bring them into the meeting. I'm going to hit admit. And here's my guest in the meeting. On their screen, they're seeing that they're in the meeting as well, and we can carry on. So they started out in the lobby, and now they're in a meeting. And then when it is time to go, we can simply wrap it up, say goodbye, and everybody can take off and do their own thing. So that's how to admit people in from the lobby. Thanks for watching.